We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, the plumbing that was on the cold side, we left it alone because it's got a hose bib tied into it. You can see it's all soldered together. So that guy right there, we just left the valve in place. It's not leaking, we checked it, and so that's good. And then this is all soldered together already. The pipe goes up to the backyard. We don't want to touch that because it's someone else's work, and if we do any modifications to it, then we have to warrant it. So all we did is come in off this side and put a brand new connector on. This is Falcon stainless steel, full 3/4 inch inside diameter, down to a brass extension. On this side, we just soldered an adapter on, gave you another connector here, down to a brass extension. Got a little creative with the venting because the water pipe is coming out right center of the water heater, and so there's a conflict with the vent. If you try and go straight up, it hits the line. So all we did is just give you some adjustable fittings here, just a mild offset here to get around this stainless steel connector, and then tied back in here. It's all screwed together, every joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 screws on each one. And then down at the tank, you've got a relief valve. This comes with the water heater. It's temperature and pressure relief, and so it's a safety feature. Too much pressure or temperature, this thing will pop off and drain water out on the side yard. So a little piece of pipe here, it's a drain line, so we don't use brass here. There's never water in this unless you pop this off, so just drainage only. And then Falcon stainless steel. You do have copper in the wall, so we just got a little 90 there and a piece stubbed up and an adapter. And so this is a long 24-inch Falcon stainless steel connector for the drainage. So that's good. Upper third, we've got you some adjustable straps. And then lower third, adjustable strap. Brand new gas shutoff valve. And then, of course, brand new gas connector. Right now, the pilot's lit. The burner's on right now. It's heating water. About a couple hours. You should have hot water here. This is your model number, serial number. You certainly go to bradfordwhite.com and register it, or since we have a picture of it, if we get home, we'll try and get this registered for you. That way your warranty will start on this product. Temperature is on hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. We recommend leaving it on hot or lower. You can certainly turn it down to here and see how you like it. If it's too hot, you know, if you're infants and elderly, or anyone with thin skin, you're gonna get burned real. This is 120, so it'd take about, for most people, about 7 to 8 minutes just standing in full hot water before you get scalded. But if you do have thin skin, be mindful of this. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We don't recommend any of this. Some people can adjust it if they want. B140, third-degree burns in 3 seconds, you're going to the hospital. And so just leave it right there, you're fine. If you find that the water is too hot, you can just turn it down 1 notch to this guy right here. It's in between low and hot. There's just 1 notch right there. If you turn it down, you're probably going to get, I'm going to say maybe 110. Don't really know because we usually don't set it that low. But like I say, if you feel like your water is too hot in there, you know, then you can just turn it down 1 notch. But this works for most people doing dishes, doing laundry. You know, hot water 120 works just fine. Gave you a new piece of wood on the platform here. We did have to take off the sheetrock that was on there. Most of it was gone. We pulled the tank off. It peeled back. There was water damage on the stand, so we took all the sheetrock off the top, including this quarter round that was here, and then just capped it off with another piece of wood, so we got a nice platform for it to sit on. The wall is actually enclosed behind the water heater, so there's no need to come back in here and put sheetrock on here. Doesn't look great. If you want to, you can certainly have someone come back up and put this type of quarter round back on here, put it on there and make it look nice, but it's not required. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.